Hi, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Friday, April 3rd, virtual learning for today. Here we go. So here are the slides. So we will be meeting today at 10 o'clock on Zoom. Look forward to seeing you today. For math activities, we are going to be continuing with shapes. You're going to be doing a little bit of investigating, kind of like um, looking for shapes around your house that are in these different shapes. So you're looking for circles, triangles, squares, a rectangle, a pentagon if you can. You might even have to make it out of like this was a necklace, or even like like a hexagon is probably going to be a hard shape to find around in your house. But if you can make it, you could even put like a spoon together to spoon, 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 and you can make your own shape that way too. Think about it, get creative, totally up to you. But we're going to be looking for those shapes around in your house. Take a photo of it. Remember, you do want to use the texting tool, and you want to write down how many sides and how many corners each shape has. You see that the circle has no sides and no corners. Some of you are writing like one side for the circle, and remember that the circle has no sides, okay, because it has no corners. Corner is going to be like the point, okay? There you go. And reading today, we have a really fun read aloud done by Miss Yuka and Miss Franny, and it should be just a YouTube link that's clicked right into your slide. So you should be able to.
Three billy goats were grazing when they stopped and looked around. They could hear a lady singing.
What's really nice about their read aloud
"What a lovely sound!"
is their use of expression and their use of their voices. So enjoy this read aloud. And
they set off to a wooden bridge by a meadow of green grass.
Really great read aloud.
"Stop right there!" a mean troll yelled. "I will not let you pass!"
She's awesome. Okay, so for the reading activity, you're going to listen to the story, but then you're also going to be using this template to organize a fairy tale that you're reading during your independent reading time. So you're going to use this template again. Does the fairy tale use magic? And then you describe maybe the magic that they're using. Good versus evil, royal characters, magical events, wishes granted. You're looking for, usually in fairy tales, you're going to see that they use numbers in threes and in sevens, like the Seven Dwarfs or Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, or, usually you're granted like three wishes, or there's like three godmothers, right? Or looking for numbers in threes and sevens. Remember that there always is going to be a problem in your fairy tale, in your story. So trying to think about what that problem is, and then how does it end? What's the happy ending at the end of your fairy tale? Okay, there you go. We are going to hopefully try to do this again. I hope that everybody got to read these two stories by today. And if you didn't, we're just going to be moving on to the next stories, okay? So try to listen to these two stories today before 10 o'clock if you can, and then we'll try to vote one more time. Okay, and here's our bracket. Writing today is going to be using your same favorite vacation spot, writing example that you had used before, but now we're going to make it a little bit longer, okay? And this poster here gives you some sentence starters. So in the beginning, if you're stating your opinion, you could use sentence starters like, I think Vietnam is the best country to vacation to, okay? you can just end it like that, right? Because that's your introduction sentence, right? Or you may, I feel really strongly about Vietnam and why it is such a great country to visit. Then you're going to be giving your reasons, right? One reason is, another reason is, or you might say to start with, right? Um, Vietnam has the best spring rolls that anybody has ever made, or something you just want to say, like use those sentence starters. You're going to give examples, right? Give your readers 1 to 3 examples of why you feel that way, and then you're restating your opinion at the end. As you can see, all in all, now you agree. Okay, so you're using this template to help you with your writing. I did also include a video tutorial here. Hopefully this will open up for you in your links. And so it will just
Hi
also...
everybody, I hope this video will help you with your opinion writing. It starts with a little picture of these dogs saying, hey, do you guys like spring rolls? You have to visit.
Go ahead and watch that little video. That should help you with your writing. Okay. And today, for the weekend, I have a fun challenge for you. Watch the videos if you can. Try to videotape yourself doing the activity, and enjoy your Friday. And I look forward to seeing you at 10 o'clock today. All right. Have a good morning, everybody. Bye.